Spider gel does whatever a spider gel does. Why do I know that? What is that? What is that from? Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Guyleen and I'm going to review for you today some spider gels, and it is from Azure. I had the sweetest lady contact me and asked me if I would review these for them, and I said sure, be happy to. So I've already removed these from packaging. It came packaged in this inside of a box, all nice and neat. And then it also comes with this, and I thought it was a pen. I thought it screwed out, but it pulls apart and then you just put it, oops, in to make a full-size brush, which is quite nice. So this is 3-in-1 gel. So it's a spider gel, but you can also just paint it straight on your nail. So let's just attempt that with number 1. I have 1 through 6, and they are metallics. Metal satin gel. It's 01. It is a really pretty gold. I am going to be doing a manicure look with this, but for right now I'm going to be using some Swatch sticks. So I'm going to clean this brush with some alcohol to begin with. And I'm not sure how spider gel is going to paint on your nail without, you know, because I mean it's stringy spider gel. Just go for it. I don't think that this, oh, that's not too bad actually. I don't think that you have to cure, or you do have to cure. I don't think that you have to wipe this. I don't think it has a sticky top layer and an inhibition layer. I mean, it's kind of thick. It doesn't level out, which really is what you want in a spider gel, but not particularly in a polish. Let's see what 2 coats does. It's actually easier to paint with than I thought it was going to be. And it's beautiful. Yeah, my only issue with painting it straight on like that is just it doesn't really level. I love this brush though. Alright, so if you've never seen spider gel before, I don't know where you've been, but now a lot of people haven't heard of spider gel, and as you can see, it is a very thick consistency. Let's see if I can get it sideways here for you. And it is really stringy. Really thick and elastic, stretchy. So another way to play with this is with a glove. I've seen people also use the little fingertip rubber thingies that have the little notches or like little nubbins on them that you would use for sorting papers and finger cots. Is that what they're called? But you can put this on a glove and you can see you can make like strings and just do designs like this. which I think is super cute. And easy. I mean, that was fast. You can also use mirror chrome, hollow, whatever. After you've made your design, and buff that in like you would normally. And there you have a mirrored or hollow powder, whatever you want to use. Another option is to put it on top of wet top coat. So you've painted your nail whatever color you want, and you put your no wipe top coat. That this one is like heavily contaminated with glitter, but we're going to ignore that. And we're going to draw on that, oh, like a half a circle. And you can see it's sinking in, and so there's not going to be like a raised design. It's just going to be smooth and blend in with the top coat. I recommend like curing this pretty fast, because as you see, it's going to keep moving, but it also looks pretty cool. So I painted my nails white, and I opted for, instead of liquid latex, I went for these little apron things because I do not want gel on my skin. I have the urge to keep playing, but I'm gonna stop there. I cured that for 60 seconds, and now I'm just gonna take off these and hope I didn't get it all over my skin. Not too bad. All right, my final thoughts. Oh, this stuff's fun. It's lots of fun. There's just all kinds of stuff, and if I practiced, I think that you know, straight lines and designs like that would be attainable even for the completely freehand challenge like me. Overall, those types of designs were super easy to do, and you can use powders over it. You do not have to top coat. And then if you choose to put it over a top coat, and you can get some really cool like flowing designs, or cure it quickly and keep them kind of crisper. There's my one attempt at that. This one I played with over something I'd already stamped, and I kind of like that design. Alright, so what do you guys think? I think it's fun. I love it. It's just cool. It's different. It's easy. It's fast. And it's not near as messy as you think it would be. If you want to purchase some, I put the link below, and use Guyleen15 to get 15% off. I don't make anything, but it helps you guys out. You come here so I can bop your nose. I got to bop your nose. Oh, Penny. Hey. Bop. Boop. 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 Boop.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.